So over here we're looking closely at the X1. The X1 is a two-stage machine which incorporates what's called the triturator with a second stage is the press. In the triturating process, you're dropping produce down a chute where there's a grinder that's actually pulverizing the whole produce into a mash, a pulp, if you will, that you're now freeing the liquid from the encapsulation of the produce. And then when you have the bag full, you turn on the press, which squeezes the juice, and the juice comes out nice and neatly from the bottom, and it can be captured in a Cambro container. Over here, you can see we're doing spinach. Right now, the press is opening up, and the liquid falls into a catch can, which then goes to a stainless steel pipe, which fills the Cambro up to maximize your productivity.